Chosen ones, where you are. Chosen ones, back with another powerful and productive video. Shout out to all the chosen ones all over the world. Shout out to you. Shout out to all watching this video, right? God bless you. I wish you good health, good luck, goodwill, love, peace. I radiate good things to you. Take that. You are blessed. I'm telling you, you are blessed. Okay, great. You read the title and you know what this video is about, right? Great. Installing new love. Yeah, that is to some of you. You are trying to install new love, but connection failed. Yeah, installing new love, but connection failed because your heart doesn't accept such stuff. For now, your heart is not ready, right? So trying to install a new love is going to fail. Connection is going to fail. It's not going to work, right? Because some of you need to do the inner healing. You are not healed from your past trauma, relationship, hurt, pain. You are not healed from your past loves. You are not healed. And you try to, enter into new relationships immediately, just for you to feel all right. But I'm telling you, that is rather making the whole situation very worse. That is why the new love you're trying to install, the connection keeps on failing. You need to do the inner work. You need to allow yourself some time to heal. Okay? Everything takes time and effort, and sin is a broken heart. If you have a broken heart, it's gonna take you some time to heal. All right, it's gonna take some people some months to heal. Some of you, it's gonna take you years. Okay, the healing is gonna differ depending on the individual, because some people are stronger than some people. So for sure, the healing, the length of the healing phase is going to differ. Whilst others will be taking months, some of you will be taking years to heal, because some of you will be trying to keep hurting yourself again. When the wound is trying to heal, then you go and allow yourself to be hurt again, and it keeps on like that, and the wound never heal. All right, great. So if it is you watching this video and you keep on installing new love and the connection keeps on failing, take your time to rectify where the fault is. All right, you need to try and troubleshoot where the problem is, okay, to find solution to the problem. Okay, maybe you need to update some new softwares, all right, for the connection to work. And what I mean by that is you taking your time to heal. All right, and if you do that, it's really going to help you, right? You cannot be wasting the time of other people because you are in pain, you have been hurt. All right, because you have not taken time to heal. All right, you try to bring new people into your life, and at the end of it, it's a waste of time, it's a waste of effort, resources, attention, waste of meat. Okay, on their part, and your part as well, because you're wasting your time as well. What if you allow yourself, it will take you just few months or a year to heal. You are prolonging your healing. Okay, you are prolonging your healing, you are prolonging everything, and that is taking your time. And not only your time, but it's also eating into the time of others. Remember, time is a great resource at our disposal. All right. So if you are a chosen one, you need to heal yourself before you enter into any new relationship. If not, you'll be making costly mistake. I know how it feels. I know how it feels. Some people, because there is a breakup, they will try to take advantage of that to come into your life. Okay? In the process of comforting you. All right? And you will feel like, oh, that is the right thing you're doing. You just want to prove to your ex-lover that, oh, things are moving on well, if he or she doesn't love you, there is a new one, right? You want to show up, right? You want to bluff. You want to act. You want to, please your ex, all right? And in that process, it is you that you'll be hurt the most, because you've not really healed, and you want to enter into a new relationship. It will not work. The person that comes in your life will only take advantage of you. Don't because you are lonely, don't because you are single, don't because you're feeling some boredom, all right? You will rush into any unhealthy relationship. Take your time. What you've been through in the past should be a lesson to you. You should learn your lessons, all right? And that should help you to know the fake from the real. When you see something that is genuine, you should be able to detect. And when you see something that is fake, you should be able to detect because of what you've been through. And that is what makes us human, because it is life that teaches us, life lesson that teaches us, all right, how to be wise, how to apply wisdom, how to be, knowledgeable. All right. So that's it. If you don't allow yourself to heal, connection will keep on failing, and you will keep hurting yourself so many times, and you will be wasting your time and the time of others. All right. So kindly take your time to heal, work on yourself, try and become a better version of yourself, your true and authentic self. And it's going to take time and effort, right? I wish you will go on temporary voluntary celibacy for some months or a year and keep focusing on your career or your talent or your potential or your craft or your purpose. Even if you don't know of your purpose, as you're going on that journey, you embrace temporary voluntary celibacy. It's going to help you discover your purpose. It's going to help you discover who you are. I'm telling you. And that breakup is going to be of a blessing to you. All right? Because at the end of it, you are going to discover your real self. Through the pain, through the hurt, you will discover a part of you that you never knew it exists. All right? And that is going to change your life. That is going to make you, be grateful for what has happened. That will help you appreciate and accept the past relationship. You will be thankful that it did not work. All right? Because it happens for your good. But if you don't do the work, the necessary work, every new love you try to install, connection is going to fail. All right? And you will be hurt the most all the time. At the end of it all, you will think, oh, there is no real love. There is no genuine love. You will see the opposite gender in a bad light. But it is all a reflection of you. It is because you've not taken your time to heal, to do the inner work. All right? So kindly do that. Become financially independent. Become the best you. Okay? The best revenge you can give to your ex is you becoming your true and authentic self. Is you becoming financially independent. Is you becoming the person you're destined to be. The best revenge is you becoming successful. Right? The best revenge is you being in your purpose, being in your potential, your talents, your craft, your skill, whatever, all right? And sharing it with the world, okay? And when others, are accepting what you're sharing with them, that will give you fulfillment, that will give you contentment, that will give you happiness, that will give you joy, inner peace, peace of mind and peace of heart. I'm telling you, you will feel great about yourself, and you will never feel lonely or feel single. In fact, you'll be grateful for things not working in your past. You will be grateful for the love that did not work. You will be grateful, I'm telling you. All right? So turn your every pain into a blessing. Turn every pain you've been through into something great. All right? And stop reliving the past, thinking, oh, it's your fault. Stop feeling guilty. Remember, bad things happens to good people. But when it happens, they acknowledge it, they accept it. Some accept it as part of their destiny, and they move on with their life. And so should you. Accept it, move on with your life, work on yourself, healed, and become your true and authentic self. That is the best thing you need to do for yourself. I'm telling you. All right? Stop living in self-pity. Stop living in regret. Stop living as a victim. Okay? Embrace yourself and find that real self of you that is hidden all this while. Okay? And I tell you, your life will never ever be the same. You see, sometimes in life, what you need to understand is that old structures needs to be removed for new ones to replace. Okay? And the new one that is going to come is going to come with you working on yourself, you putting in effort, all right, to, have something new, very great than the previous one, all right? And remember that, okay? Sometimes in life, when one door closes, then 5 more or 10 more or multiple doors open. That is how God works, okay? Remember, you cannot go to your past and have a brand new start or beginning, but you can start now. Cherish the present moment. As you're watching this video, you can take a decision now to become your true and authentic self. All right? To take yourself serious, to be responsible for your life, knowing that nobody owes you anything, and you do not owe anybody anything. So it is all on you. By taking yourself serious, focusing on yourself, you will be changing your life. You're gonna start now, and I'm telling you, you will have a brand new ending. Right? Great. Peace. See you in my next video. I'm out for now.